My sister is crying. My sister is crying. She said, me brother, come home. Me brother, you're gone too long. And me brother is weeping. Oh, me brother is weeping. I hear him say, come home. Come on, me brother, come home. I'm going home. I've gone too long. I'm running like crazy. I'm going there, won't catch me. And me, mama is smiling. I can see her beckoning. She said, come on, me son. Come on, me son, you're gone too long. I am going home. They won't catch me. If they ask you always running, tell them he's crazy running. If they ask you how he's running, he's running like crazy. I'm running home, and they won't catch me.
Thank you.